Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This video explains the reset options for the Echo Show 5 and why they matter. A soft reboot often resolves performance issues without erasing your settings. To soft reboot, unplug the power cable and wait 30 seconds before you reconnect it. A factory reset removes your Amazon account, local settings, and smart home connections from the device permanently. Use a factory reset when you plan to sell the device or troubleshooting requires a full wipe. I will show both the touch menu method and the button method for different generations. Factory reset from the touch menu works on most Echo Show 5 models. Swipe down from the top in Open Settings, then choose Device Options and reset to factory defaults. Confirm when prompted to erase all content and unlink your Amazon account. For Echo Show 5 first generation, press and hold the microphone off button and the volume down button together for 15 seconds. Release when the Amazon logo appears and the device begins the reset sequence. If the screen is frozen, perform the force button reset method instead. After the factory reset completes, you must set up the Echo Show 5 from scratch. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and sign in with your Amazon account when prompted to restore functionality. Keep the power adapter connected throughout setup to avoid interruptions. Allow the device to install updates after you sign in. This can take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Re-enable and relink smart home devices and Alexa skills from the Alexa app after setup. If you plan to sell or give away the device, verify it shows the initial setup screen before handing it over.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.